Hello everyone and welcome to this one called A Peaceful Life. And as you can see, we're not here to fight mobs or anything. I just like peaceful. Oh, here's some sheep. So anyway, if you like the peaceful world, just click on a like or just click on the view or subscribe. But if you don't like the peaceful ones, like you guys who are very good at Minecraft, please dislike this if you don't like it. Alright, so welcome everybody to Peaceful Life again, and we're just here to make a house like, a peaceful farm. Anyway, let's start getting some wood. Alright. Okay, there's one. If you are beginners, you must start by collecting wood. We got a new recipe called wood. Alright. Alright, yeah, we're outside. Ooh, horses. I'm gonna make a crafting table. Oh, whoops. Forgot. There you are. Now I got 16 pieces of wood. And we're gonna make a stick. Sticks. Alright, now we're gonna look for a spot to build a house. Alright. Ooh, looks deep in there. So anyway guys, how are you? And tell me how you feel in the comments area. But if you subscribe, you gotta make sure to say how you feel. And if you're starting to make your videos, you must tell me one so that I can know and watch your video. Alright? And I'll see how it goes. Ooh, a cave. Ah, there's a cave to a shortcut. I thought someone was there. Anyway, looks good. Ow. Ooh, or no bats. Sorry, it's just I hate bats. Yep, I really do hate bats. Ooh, another cave. And we'll be on. Alright. If you don't like this video, please don't watch this. Cause it's not like fighting mobs or anything. I'm just not good at talking this in the video. Sorry. I know you're asking questions of why am I doing this? Well, it's because I'll think about that later in the next video. So I think in episode 4 we'll be making a new... I think in the new episode we'll be having a house now. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna have a house. Just gotta add a few things first. Looks like I'm level 2. Now we got the stuff now, and we're gonna kill oh, wait, I forgot. Uh-oh. How am I supposed to get it? Oh, his hand. Oh, and there are other videos. My friend here named Sean. He has videos called Guava Jelly, and if you see his videos, that'll be very awesome. All right. So anyway, I don't know what to pick a spot for my house. So yeah. There are no houses in here. No spots for the house. And let's get it. Ooh. We have to get across. How are we supposed to get across? Okay. No. Actually, over there, there might be good spots. So yeah. I can see there's squid and a mountain. I don't know if I could get rid of the squid or not. Blech. Look up below. Alright, so if only I could reach over there without being spotted, but oh, never mind. Maybe that spot will be good to get across. Okay. You gotta make torches quick. Alright. I got 8 torches. Be fine. Oof. This might get tricky. And we're here. Alright, right over there. Oh, hello horses. Alright, I think this is good. I don't think this is a good spot here. So, what if we could live up in a mountain? That would be cool, huh? Oh, there's ore. There's ore here. Anyway, I'm gonna dig for it. And plus I'll be getting a few more trees, blocks of wood. So yeah. Ah, there's some more. Can't believe there's some more here. Okay. There are lots and lots of ore here. It's like we're gonna have an ore stop. Alright, we're climbing up the mountain. Hope to see llamas. Because, you know, llamas up there. Ooh. Look at that place. Don't bother that. Ooh, sheep. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I'm gonna kill them. Get away. Right. And my last one would be the axe. There we go. Supplies will be here. tools will be here. Why do I have dirt? Ooh, it's getting nighttime. We better pick a house quick. Oh, look at that. Right over there. I think that's a new house. Our new spot. And there's lava there. Ooh. Better. Oh, yes, I have wool. So, yeah. Now, where are the sheep? Oh, look. Sheep. And we'll be collecting here next time. We'll be collecting lots and lots of black ore, making our farm. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Now we can craft. All I need is a tree. Wood tree. There's there are gonna be new episodes, and there are gonna be new episodes every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I hope that I could see the same faces. Ooh, what's down here? Looks like a cave. Okay, so hope to see you guys next soon, and I'll be seeing you on Saturday. See you later.